beliefs, an internal feeling or idea that something is true, even it is unproven or irrational. Values. Values are internal fundamental beliefs. All values are belief, but all beliefs are not values. Values are things that are important or valued by someone. Values are abstract and forms attitude. Beliefs forms values and values forms attitude. Example. Child see Republic Day parade every year by father. Emotion will get attached. Patriotism belief gets stronger. Belief converted to value of patriotism. Nationalism, if emotional content gets too high and ideology gets attached to it. Bedtime stories. Parents' habits. Mass media, TV, video games. Inculcate values in childhood. Globalization narrowing difference BW various value system. Only moral values are ethics. Lawyer ethics protect criminal. Lawyer moral value not to protect criminal. Why values are important? Because values contains judgmental elements, values are hierarchically arranged. Values from family. Family decision. Gender sensitivity. Discriminatory practices and other bases. Regard towards rules, state, nation. Scientific outlook. Conformity or innovation. Financial management. Reward or punishment. Means vs ends. Way of life. Values from education. Transforming values generation to generation. Creating new values. Channelizing energies. Developing communitarian view. Problem solving attitude. Loves for country. Classification of values. Loves for country. Classification of values. Terminal values, most and ultimate objective of life. Gandhiji terminal value is non-violence. Instrumental values, it is instrument or means to achieve terminal value. Becoming IAS is instrumental value and serving poor is terminal value. Intrinsic values, activity that is valued for itself. Extrinsic values, same as instrumental. Preferential values.